Alright, so ready when you are.
Welcome back to Cooking with Sudhan.
Can you do that again?
Yeah.
he always does it. Yeah, but yeah, just do it again. You can do it.
Okay, alright. Welcome to Cooking with Sudhan, and this is our second and last video at Mementos today. We have going to make dumplings. It's a very easy and instant way of making chicken dumplings, and we're going to show you how to make it. And if you've already been watching our videos, thank you so much for watching our videos, and please do subscribe if you haven't done so already. And you can also subscribe to our Instagram videos and follow us on there as well. We just started a new channel, so yeah, please do. And we are going to show you how to make the dumplings now.
And don't forget to introduce me, eh?
Oh yeah, and say hi, Isha.
Hi.
Yeah, and we've got a very nice guest over here. Say hello, everybody.
Oh.
Hi. Yeah. Okay, so to make the chicken dumplings, of course, we need some minced chicken. Minced chicken, just from the regular supermarket. It's about 400 grams that we have here. And we need some instant dumpling wrappers. I'm using the Shanghai style version, but you can use also the square variety as long as they're instant dumpling wrappers, right? So we need a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of soy sauce, and we've got rice vinegar here, and we've got some white pepper and some pure sesame oil, and a little bit of salt, and we've got oil, and we also need some water. And for the fresh ingredients, we have ginger, some chives, some spring onions, and also some garlic, and we've also got some microgreens like alfalfa and some radish microgreens, just for the garnish to make it all pretty and presentable towards the end. So let's begin making it. So we are going to get a nice big bowl for ourselves here, and we are going to toss in the chicken in the bowl. Put that in the bin, and we need some pepper. Have you guys made dumplings before? No. Never? Or anything similar? Anything stuffed? No. No, okay.
So this is new for everybody.
Yeah.
Well, it's very easy, so if you...
It just went on my nose.
Oh. Oh. That's not good.
Funny thing, the pepper just went on my nose.
Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Alright. It's very strong. Yeah.
Did you add too much pepper? Or?
No, it's just that, I just added it, and then it was, I guess,
evaporating,
yeah. And it just went out my nose, and I just had to.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so we've got. Can I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've already put. Yeah.
Don't do it.
Okay. So I've put the. Can I continue?
Yeah, you already were continuing.
Alright. So I put the brown sugar in already, and I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce. About 2 teaspoons.
Was it sweet soy sauce or is it
It's just regular soy sauce, light,
salty stuff? Yeah.
light soy sauce. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we've got some pure sesame oil, and I really like the smell of sesame oil. It smells very, very good and sweet and nutty, and it's. There we go. And I'm gonna mix it together, and a little bit of salt as well, and a little bit of rice vinegar, and I'm just gonna mix it all together. So we've actually crushed the ginger and garlic in here, and we've chopped up some chives. I'm using a flat leaf chives and some spring onions, and we are going to toss all of this into our minced chicken mixture. And yeah, and some of this. I think I have a little bit too much, but not to worry. I will just not put the whole thing in. Yeah. And look at this. We're just gonna mix it all up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and it looks beautiful. Yeah. So the chicken mixture is all nice and combined.
Can you do it again?
Yeah.
Can you look at me?
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
It's not easy, huh? All right. So, okay. So the chicken mixture is ready, and we've put in the chives and the garlic and ginger and spring onions together, and we combined it, and it's nice and well balanced. So that's ready, and now we're gonna stuff them into these lovely little pastry wrappers, wonton wrappers. So to do that, we're just going to grab a spoon, and we're going to grab a little bit of mixture, about a teaspoon, and we're going to put it in the middle. And you want a little bit of water, and you want to wet the sides. And the reason why we're doing this on the sides is that we want them to stick together. And we fold it in half, and then you can either just seal it just like that, or you can actually do like fold them over each other.
Oh, that's something I have to see.
Yeah.
So only one side you fold and the other side
Yeah,
you
on the
don't
other
fold?
side. You only fold on one side.
Alright.
And that's the first one ready, just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to film that.
Yeah, well, that's like a little bit like making pasticci, actually. Yeah. As you can see, we've prepared the rest as we showed you in the beginning, and now we're actually going to pan fry them first, and then we're going to slowly steam them with the lid on. So, and it's really awesome that you're watching, by the way, and thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to our channel. And as of today, we are also on Instagram, so please also follow us on Instagram, and that would be super, super awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so awesome that we actually printed something. Ta-da!
And I'm just laying them in, just like that. So we have pan frying them. Alright, so while that's cooking away, and we want it to be slightly browned on the one side, and then we're going to flip it over the other side, and then we're going to lightly steam it. Well, while that's actually pan frying away, we are going to make the light soy sauce dressing, and I'm going to show you how to make that right now. So for the soy sauce, to serve it, we need some rice vinegar, and we also need some soy sauce, and some sesame oil, and some ginger. That's some sesame oil, yeah. And I'm going to crush the ginger. So the sauce is ready, and it's got ginger, sesame oil, and some rice vinegar, and some soy sauce to taste, and it tastes very nice and fresh. And the dumplings need to be flipped over already, so let's do that. Oh, and they're nice and golden brown, so that's what you want. You guys can have a look if you want. So that's pretty good color.
I just have a layer,
Yeah.
thin layer,
Yeah,
oil
thin layer
in
of oil, not too much. So the dumplings have been cooking on the other side for about 2 minutes now, and you can hear it sizzle. So I am going to add a little bit of water to it because I want to also steam it, and also I'm going to put the lid on because we don't want it to spray everywhere. Just a health and safety caution. So let's check on our dumplings. Smells very good, and I think they are ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat first, and I'm going to carefully remove them. And they're ready to be served. Voila, look at that. So we've plated the dumplings with some greens, microgreens, and the dressing that we made. and it's lekker. And let's get someone to taste it for us.
Okay, I
Yeah.
look forward to it. They smell delicious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grab one.
So, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So that's a very easy way to make dumplings very instantly, and it's also very delicious. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.